Contestant number 8. Contestant number 9. Contestant number 12. 15.
15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Please give them a bell. और कपल्स को हम नहीं मिलेंगे बहुत कुछ है यहाँ पर स्टेज तक आने में आई हैड टू अनाउंस द नेम थ्राइस है ना तो ये सजा तो आपको मिलेगी आज नहीं मिलेगा मेरे साथ मैं खड़ा हूँ तो आप भी खड़े हैं okay so congratulations to the qualifiers and let's prepare for round 2
Round 2. This round is a little special because the contestants will be answering the questions of the jury. I repeat, this round is special because the contestants will be answering the questions of the jury.
I'm making an announcement again. A 5-year-old child, Vanya, she's got a birthmark behind her right ear. So please, if you find her, please come to us. Vanya, she's just a 5-year-old. Please help her. Thank you. Thank you so much for being with us.
The criteria of judgment for round 2 is fashion and styling, confidence, ramp and catwalk, and responses to the questions. Interesting, isn't it, Aditya?
Exactly, ma'am. I'm very excited to see them answering all the questions. Though I found them very confident. I guess they're very confident enough to tackle the questions.
So the jury will be asking the questions. Are you ready, guys?
Are you ready? And I heard it from you once again. I was ready. Perfect. So judges, jury, Rita madam, Disha madam, are you guys ready? With the question? Let them ask the question. Okay. So,
We begin with category 3 to 5.
Vanya. Okay, so Vanya is here before Vanya.
3 to 5 category first to 5. Contestant number 3. Music please.
If you found this girl, Vanya, I request parents to come here and take your daughter please. Okay. So let's just. Okay. So contestant number 3. So your question is.
Good evening again. If you're given a choice to swap your wardrobe with a cartoon character, which it could be and why? A cartoon character.
Hello everyone, my name is Suraj Prajapati. Good evening, and I'm really honored and grateful for this opportunity to stand in front of you all and speak with you. And answering the question is, if I would have to switch my wardrobe, I would switch with Rapunzel because she is really movie with my daughter. I have a 9-year-old daughter. Her name is Sajakshi. And we loved that movie. And because she was captivated with some evil witch, and she just overcome her self-doubt, and she really find her voice, and she came out of the world. Even she was so scared, and it was very intimidating for her, but still she overcame all of her self-doubt, and she came out in the world, and she figured out everything by herself, and she overcame all the situations and problems that she faced, and she was really beautiful, and her hair was really nice.
Wonderful.
Yeah, I really like that type of switch my wardrobe, and yellow is my favorite color.
Thank you, thank you.
Ma'am, thank you so much.
अरे क्या बात है, जोरदार ताली बजाइए। Okay.
Hình sinh mami school lại nè vâng, school cái program ní. Thank you, support cho cái
But if you have their limitations, meticulously guide, keep supporting, keep cheering them.
Hi, you're very beautiful. Your question is, which celebrity inspires your fashion sense and why? नहीं बता पाऊंगी क्योंकि मैं अपना स्टाइल खुद क्रिएट करती हूँ।
Wonderful, wonderful indeed. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Next contestant, contestant number 4.
Good evening, ma'am. The question is, if you're out of your high outfit, speak. What would it say? अगर आज आपकी कॉस्ट्यूम कुछ बोल सकती है, तो वो क्या बोलना चाहेगी?
सभी को मेरा सारा नमस्कार। मेरा नाम शैली है। मेरी कक्षा 3 में पढ़ती है और आज मैं उसी के लिए यहाँ पर खड़ी हूँ और मुझे ये पहली बार मौका मिला है। तो आप अगर मेरी कॉस्ट्यूम के लिए कहो तो मैंने पहली बार कॉस्ट्यूम भी ऐसी पहली बार ही पहनी है और ये कॉस्ट्यूम आज मुझे कह रही है कि शैली तुम आगे कुछ भी कर सकती हो, तुम दिखा सकती हो कि नारी शक्ति मतलब अपने आप में बहुत ऊंची है। अगर नारी शक्ति अपने में आ जाए तो वो दुर्गा भी बन सकती है और वो देवी भी बन सकती है। और अगर युद्ध में अगर आगे आना हो, अपने पति के साथ चलना हो, घर का काम संभालना हो, सभी चीजों में नारी अपने आप में सबसे आगे है अगर उसे मौका मिले तो। और मैं चाहती हूँ वो मौका मैं भी पाऊँ और सभी नारियाँ वो मौका पाएं।
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल, एक नारी सब पे खाली। Wonderful.
थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।
ये सुनने के बाद अब मैं तारीफ नहीं करता हूँ अपनी। धन्यवाद ताली। मेरे भाई अपने से क्यों होगा?
स्कूल में घूम जाना स्कूल में
थैंक यू मैम। अगर आज आपको आउटफिट एक गाना बताए तो मैं कौन सा गाना? मैं ऑल हरियाणवी सॉन्ग पे डांस करना हूँ। प्लीज भाई कैन यू प्लीज समझ या यू कैन।
Definitely, Ashish sir, can you help us with a Haryani song? Rahul sir, एक हरियाणवी गाना हो जाएगा, फड़कता फड़कता। हाँ, बहुत देर हो गई, नॉटी हो गई, तो ब्रेक इट। यस, हमारे जजेस ने अपना इंटरव्यू खुद ढूंढ लिया। क्योंकि हम तो आज भैया नचाएंगे भी, कमाएंगे भी। भैया हमारे प्रिंसिपल